Number 4 is Canon Office and Business MB5120. If your small business needs a reliable and efficient printer for daily office use, the Canon Office and Business MB5120 is a top choice. With its inkjet printing technology, this best printer delivers high-quality prints with rich, vivid colors that are perfect for professional documents and personal projects. The Canon Maxify MB5120 is a versatile printer that offers a range of connectivity options, including USB, Google Cloud Printing, Microsoft Mobile Print, and more. Its magnetic-proof feature ensures that your documents and prints stay secure, and the 250-sheet paper capacity means you won't need to refill the paper tray frequently. Whether you need to print, copy, or scan, the MB5120 covers you. Its single-pass two-sided copying and ID card copying features make it easy to handle even the most complex tasks, while the single-pass two-sided scanning and push-scan features to enable you to quickly digitize and share your documents. Hence, if you're interested in buying this printer, click the link in the description.